Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard problem in Valorant updated. Open services. MSC, restart Riot Vanguard, and reboot your PC before relaunching Valorant. If the issue persists, repair the game via Riot Client, then reinstall Vanguard from the anti-cheat installer. Check Windows updates and run sfc/scano to fix system files. If driver conflicts appear, roll back recent GPU or network drivers and test again. Contact Riot support if needed. Start with verifying game files in the Riot client to detect corrupted files. Next, perform a clean boot to rule out third-party conflicts and temporarily disable overlays. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall Vanguard using the dedicated anti-cheat installer, then update GPU and network drivers. As a final step, create a new Windows user profile to isolate permission issues and test Valorant there. Document error codes and timestamps to speed support responses. Quick recommendation, please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful, it really supports the channel. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes pausing a match cleaner, and it handles crumbs from long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Enjoy the break. If standard fixes fail, investigate kernel driver issues by checking VGC and VGK services and their driver signatures. Disable secure boot temporarily only if driver reinstalls fail, then re-enable it after tests. Use driver verifier cautiously to find buggy drivers, but backup data first. For persistent corruption, consider resetting Windows while keeping files or perform a clean install as a last resort. And always gather logs for Riot support and share timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.